welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be talking about some of the items that I am loving at Pottery Barn. Pottery Barn has brought out some new items for spring and summer. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. So, I am going to show you those items that I am loving at Pottery Barn, but I'm also going to show you where you can pick them up for an even better and cheaper price. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, stay to the end. I have some deals for you. Yeah, Pottery Barn, love it, very expensive, not in my price range on a lot of items. So you guys know one of the favorite places I love to look for dupes is Amazon. So that's what we're going to be doing today, as well as I'm going to show you some items that I have picked up in my home from Home Goods and Target and Marshalls that are very similar to these Pottery Barn items that I picked up for a lot less money. And I bet you're thinking, Cheryl, every time we see you, you're always in black. Yes, black's my color. And today's t-shirt is from Amazon and it says killing it. So that is what we're going to be doing today. We are going to be killing it on the prices. We're going to get the Luxe look for less, and I'm going to show you how to do it on a budget. So make sure you keep watching. All right, you guys know I can't see, so I have to put my glasses on. But one of the first things that I am going to be talking about that I am absolutely loving from Pottery Barn is this marble little canister. And if I'm looking over this way, I'm looking at my computer. I love this little marble canister, but it's $229. $229 for a marble canister? No. I don't think so. So I went over to Amazon. You know, that's what I love to do. So I went over to Amazon and I found a dupe for it. And it is this piece here is available in white. It is just a little bit smaller, but it's $49.99. And it gives us the same look for a lot less money, $150 less to be exact. Absolutely love this little canister. And again, it's from Con Imports off Amazon. I will leave it linked down in the description box down below in case you want to go check it out. But again, it's very similar to our Pottery Barn piece, but for a lot less money. The next item that I am loving from Pottery Barn is this kind of checkerboard tray. You guys know I love black and white, so this tray I am absolutely loving, but also again I did find something really similar to it on Amazon, and it was, now this one is not exact, but it is really similar. So it is this little dish. It has the harlequin or checkerboard pattern, if that's what you want to call it. It's $16.99. I love the look of it. You also have the option of this larger one for $21.99, which I thought was a really great price. This one is being sold by Madone. Don't get me wrong. Girl, you're looking rough today. You're looking rough today. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, it has been a long and tedious day today. But anyway, so this one you can get for $21.99. And if you didn't like that style, they also have this one, which I absolutely love. And I'm thinking about ordering myself, even though I don't need it. It's this one. I don't know why the price is hidden though. But I really love the style of this tray. We're gonna have to figure out to see how much this is, but that is also an option. Now the next item that I am loving from Pottery Barn are their linen covered or linen wrapped books. Guys, I think this is so chic, and you can do this style in any color palette of your desire. So, you know, mine will be black and white. So you can go to a Goodwill or a thrift store, pick up some black and white clothing and cut it up to fit your books, wrap the books, and it would look oh so chic. Absolutely love it. These books are going for $349. $349. Yeah, you can go to the thrift store, get some thrifted books for a lot less money, get some fabric, cover the books yourself. Voila, Luxe look for less. The next thing that I'm liking from Pottery Barn is this marble tray. It is $179. $179 for a marble tray. Oh my gosh, no. So of course I'm gonna go on over here to Amazon and we are going to look for a marble tray, a black round marble tray. And that's how I search, guys, when I'm looking for anything on Pottery Barn. Or I'm sorry, when I'm looking for a dupe for anything that I have found that I like, I go to Amazon, type in those words and see what comes up. And a lot of times you can find your dupe. And if I could type, voila, $19. And it looks very similar to the tray from Pottery Barn. Theirs was, let's go back to it, $179, and Amazon $19.99. I think I'm going for the $19.99, guys. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're loving these dupes, because I certainly am. And I'm not supposed to be buying anything, but guys, I just love them, love everything. So then the next thing that I found that I absolutely love from Pottery Barn is this coral piece. It's $79. I'm sure I could find this on Amazon, although I have seen this last year at Home Goods and TJ Maxx. They had a lot of this stuff last year and it was very affordable. So if you like this style, you could search on Amazon, but I would go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, because you're probably going to find it a lot cheaper there. The next thing that I like from Pottery Barn is this black and white storage box. Oh my gosh, I love a good storage box. So this one is $149. Oh my gosh, so expensive. So of course we're going to run over here to Amazon. And we're going to find our look for less. Type in black and white storage box. And what do we get? Our first look is this one here. It one is retailing for, how much are you? I can't see. Where's your price? I don't know why they got the price hidden on these boxes. This one is really similar to the one that we just saw on Pottery Barn. I need to figure out how to display these prices. But these boxes are oh so nice. I wonder if you add it to the cart if you could see it. We'll have to come back to that one. But again, you can go to Amazon and find just about anything that you want there, all for less. And that, my friends, is how you achieve the Luxe look for less. The next thing that I'm loving from Pottery Barn is this oversized clamshell. Now, if you guys have been with me from the beginning of time, you guys know that I used to have a series called Trash to Treasure, and I would go thrifting and looking for similar items that I fell in love with and upcycle them to give me that Luxe look for less. Well, this oversized clam was one that I was on the hunt for. I originally saw it at Z Gallery. So I went to my local thrift store and lo and behold, I found this clear clamshell, guys. Oh my gosh. I saw it not once, but twice, but I only bought it once. I brought it home and I painted it and it looked exactly like this one from Pottery Barn. This one retails for $249. I thrifted mine for, I want to say, if I remember correctly, $1.99. Yeah, $1.99. Don't sleep on your local thrift stores and Goodwill. So the next thing I'm loving from Pottery Barn, I love sculptural pieces. Anything architectural or sculptural, I absolutely love. This piece caught my eye. It is $199, and oh my gosh, so expensive. Now this one I found and I purchased. It's not exactly the same, but it's very similar, and I got it from Home Goods. And as you can see by the video here, it's very similar. And I want to say I picked this up for like $24.99 from Home Goods. Again, don't buy from these overpriced high-end stores, guys. Save money. You can get a similar look for less by shopping at your local home stores like Home Goods, Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and Amazon. Amazon is my next favorite store to go to. Also, I'm loving this Tom Ford book. You guys know I have it here in my home. I have it here on my coffee table. I also have it in white, but you can find this coffee table book is $140 from Pottery Barn, but you can find this book from Home Goods online for $60, $60, $55, or $65 to $70. You can always find them at Home Goods. And then also another book that I'm loving is this Vanity Fair book. It's $90, but again, a great coffee table book. And a little story. I was in Home Goods the other day looking around. I found this book, but it didn't have a price on it. So I asked the lady who was an associate if she could find out what the price was. Well, she went looking for a book of a similar size and fashion and style. And guys, I was standing there, I want to say 15-20 minutes while she was trying to find a price comparable. And another shopper came up and was like, "What are you doing? Like, I saw this book the other day and it was like $60. Why don't you just take it to the front and write a ticket for it?" No, she wouldn't do that. So finally I got frustrated. I was like, never mind. So while I'm in line checking out at Home Goods, picking up the little item that I did get, I went surfing on Amazon, and lo and behold, it was on Amazon on sale for $49. So again, if you love coffee table books, Amazon is going to be your best friend. Do not purchase from a high-end department store. And then the next thing I'm loving is this Luxe decor piece for $99. You guys know I really love Luxe. So recently I found this clear Luxe at Home Goods. It was $16.99 and it looks awesome here on my coffee table. I had to pick it up. Again, don't sleep on your Home Goods, Ross, or TJ Maxx. Is this little brass ring here. It is $229 from Pottery Barn. You can find these similarly from Crate and Barrel, but I picked mine up from Home Goods. Again, $24.99. Guys, do not sleep on your local stores. So I'm going to show you some more items that I am loving from Pottery Barn. It'll just be a montage, a collage of photos, just to give you a little inspiration of things that I am loving and liking. Oh, let me show you one other thing that I am absolutely in love with. I used to decorate in like a nautical theme for spring, or for summer rather, and I saw this item. It is a piece of coral, and I don't know, I just love the look. And I actually have a piece that I picked up from Home Goods many moons ago on clearance for $18. And it's this piece here, and I absolutely love it. I've done a tablescape with it in the past that you guys absolutely loved. But this is one piece I think I'm going to bring back out again for this summer. But also, if I could find it, where did it go? There is a piece from Home Goods. Not Home Goods, a piece from, did I not put it in here? Hold on. There is a piece that I am absolutely loving. Where are you? Here it is. And it's this piece here from Pottery Barn. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And it is in my color of black. Yes. So this is offered in 2 colors on Pottery Barn. It's an oversized coral object that I think would look so perfect styled on your coffee table for summer. This one here is featured in white for $199. But of course, you know, your girl wants the black one, and it is featured for $249. I really want it, but I don't want to pay $249. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it will also go on sale. The next item that I am absolutely loving are these 3 vases from Pottery Barn. They are very expensive, but I did pick up something similar from World Market. Total cost to me was around $55. So again, World Market is also a great place to find affordable home decor. So guys, those are the items that I am loving from Pottery Barn, and items that you can pick up from your local stores as well as Amazon to give you that luxe look for less. Why pay the high prices if you don't have to? So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you in your home decor shopping and your home decor decorating. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl, and as I said, I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. And one of the ways I do that is by budget home decor shopping, thrifting, upcycling, you name it, your girl does it. So if you want to save money and decorate your home, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.